Paano nga ba i-transform ang ganitong photo from this to this? Alam na alam naman natin na in today's generation, nagiging special feature na si AI in terms of new technologies. Meron sa laptop and of course, meron din sa smartphones. At isa sa example nito is itong Oppo Reno 12 5G and we will be discussing it later on this video. So, hey guys! Ako nga pala ulit ang iyong Kuya Arns and today we will be unboxing and have our honest review dito sa bagong labas na smartphone ni Oppo which is the Oppo Reno 12 5G. At bago tayo magsimula, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa amin, then please do like this video, click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong maging updated sa mga future uploads namin. So tara, simulan na natin to. So what's inside the box is the Reno 12 5G phone at yung meron tayo is the Sunset Pink variant. It also comes with a free jelly case, paper materials or the manuals, SIM card ejector, the Oppo charging brick. This is an 80 watt SuperVOOC charger, and lastly the Type-C charging cable. This phone also comes with pre-installed tempered glass. For the specs, meron siyang MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy chipset, 6.7 Corning Gorilla Glass display, ColorOS 14.1 on Android 14, 5000 mAh battery, 12 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of internal storage. For the camera, meron siyang 50MP triple camera lens, 32MP front camera, at ito ang first AI phone ni Reno series. Honestly, for the appearance, gustong-gusto ko yung kanyang design. At with the Sunset Pink variant, makikita natin dito sa cover yung kanyang sunset design. I can say it's very sleek and lightweight siya kasi meron lang siyang bigat na 175 grams. At very thin siya at 70.6 millimeters. And that is because it is mostly built with plastic. So meron siyang plastic cover and plastic frame. Also, as what I have said earlier sa specifications niya, meron siyang Corning Gorilla Glass 7i which is the latest innovation sa tough cover glass technology. It offers up to 2 times more scratch resistance and drop protection from 1 meter on hard surfaces. Also, yung camera niya ay hindi masyadong naka-extend beyond or above sa back cover. Wala na rin siyang 3.5mm headphone jack, but of course, meron pa din siyang USB-C for your connectivity. By the way, it is IP65 water and dust resistant, meaning okay lang yung mga dust and splashes. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na pwede na natin siyang ilubog sa tubig. At isa sa mga nagustuhan ko sa kanya is itong ripple effect sa kanyang screen. Na kapag nag-scroll tayo, parang merong tubig. This Reno 12 5G has a 6.7 inches curved AMOLED display and what's good is meron siyang infinity display. With a 93.2% screen to body ratio, yung screen niya is still flat pero yung corners are curved. So wala kang ma-experience na visual distortion. This phone has a refresh rate of 120Hz, max brightness of 1200 nits, and a resolution of 2412 by 1080p Full HD+. By the way, speaking of refresh rate, meron siyang app-specific refresh rate sa kanyang settings. So depending on your application, pwede na kayong mamili from 60, 90, and up to 120Hz refresh rate. This feature will definitely save you more battery. Now, this phone has dual speakers. Meron dito sa baba at meron din dito sa taas. So, let's test it now. Also, pwede nating iset hanggang 300% yung max volume niya and well for me, it's decent and clear. And malakas siya actually compared sa ibang phones na nagamit ko or na-try ko. Another good thing sa kanya is meron siyang expansion slots for your micro SD cards. Because we all know nowadays, malalaki na yung storage ng mga bagong labas na smartphones. And wala ka nang makikitang phones na may expansion slot sa kanyang price range. So thanks to Oppo Reno 12 for this feature. Pero di lang yan yung pwede nating expand sa kanya kasi meron din siyang RAM expansion feature sa kanyang settings. Wherein kapag may enough storage space pa tayong available, pwede nating magamit ang part nito para expand ang ating RAM ng up to 12GB. Moving on to its camera, it features a triple camera setup, a 50MP main camera sensor na kayang mag-zoom hanggang 10 times, 8MP ultra-wide camera sensor up to 0.6, and a 2MP macro camera. Yung front camera naman niya is 32MP with 0.8 wide and ×2 zoom. Hindi lang tong Reno 12 5G ang may ganitong specs for the camera on the market, pero what's good is kung paano nila na-implement si AI sa kanilang camera. And we will be discussing that later. The 50MP Sony LYT600 sensor with 1/1.95 inches OIS supported can capture photos that are vibrant, clear, and crisp. Also, maganda din yung shots niya with the night mode. Mas detailed siya unlike the normal camera in low light setting. Here's an example of an outdoor shot. Sharp yung images, pero once na nag-zoom in na tayo, makikita natin na nag-soften na siya, and if we try other shots, makikita mo na decent and clear yung mga shots niya. We were able to capture decent shots both indoor and outdoor. Pag nag-try naman tayo mag-record ng video, the main camera can record up to 4K at 30 FPS and 1080p at 60 FPS. Meron din siyang stabilizer para maging stable ang video recording. And since I'm into running, gustong-gusto kong kumuha ng mga shots while running, and best feature siya for me as a runner. Yung front camera naman niya can also record up to 4K at 30 FPS, pero yung main camera lang niya yung mayroong 60 FPS. Now, pag-usapan naman natin kung paano na-implement ni Reno 12 5G si AI. Well, this phone has AI Erasure 2.0, wherein mas madali nating ma-remove yung unwanted people or objects sa background, and we can do it all instantly kay Reno 12 5G. Please take note that this requires internet connection, pero the good thing is hindi na natin kailangan ng third-party applications to do so. Meron din siyang AI Studio wherein pwede nating i-transform ang ating photos from our gallery into a digital avatar na gusto natin. Maraming available na templates, pwede sa lalaki and pwede din sa babae. Kahit ano pa yan, pwede mong gawing futuristic, playful, and anything na maisipan mo. And aside from the photo editing AI features niya, meron din siyang iba pang AI features. One is the AI Leak Boost. This feature delivers a smooth and stable network communication experience for users. Meron din siyang beacon link which enables device-to-device voice calls gamit lang ang Bluetooth ng up to 200 meters even without signal. Another AI feature is the AI Recording Summary. So kung meron kang voice recordings of meetings or class discussions, the Reno 12 5G will give you the summary of the voice recording, and I would say na accurate yung output niya. Kaya din niyang mag-summarize and read articles on your browser out loud using the AI Speak and AI Summary like this. And for social media, meron tayong AI Writer tool na kayang switch ang tone of your text by rewriting it for you. This is a big help for those who struggle with captions or posts, and for those who like to create articles online. Had enough of this AI tool? Meron pang neat AI feature si Reno 12 5G, wherein if you go to the settings under the sounds and vibration, you can enable the clear voice feature. This filters out the background noise while you're on a call, such as strong winds and other factors that may lead to sound distortion.
While you're on a call using the receiver, you can turn on clear voice and filter out background noise to avoid.
And as a bonus feature, this is not AI related pero nagustuhan ko rin siya. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron siyang IR or infrared sensor dito sa taas, which you can use dito sa pre-installed IR remote app. Pwede nyo siyang magamit as a remote for your TV, cable box, projector, air conditioner, and other electronic devices sa bahay. And since powered siya by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy, nagkaroon siya ng significant increase in performance from the previous Reno 11 with MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset. Ito yung score niya kay Antutu Benchmark, ito naman kay Geekbench CPU Benchmark at Geekbench GPU Benchmark. At pagdating naman sa gaming, most games na nilaro ko like Mobile Legends, Need for Speed No Limits can definitely be played at high settings. Like for example kay Mobile Legends, maganda yung display pati na rin yung response niya while playing. Sa Need for Speed No Limits, kitang-kita yung quality ng kanyang display at high settings. Medyo matagal din malobat itong si Reno 12 5G kasi meron siyang battery capacity na 5,000 mAh na kayang tumagal ng up to 14 to 16 hours of moderate usage, which is common sa mga smartphones ngayon. Pero yung wala sa ibang phone is yung kanyang 80 watts SuperVOOC charger. As for what I have experienced, kaya niya mag-charge from 36% up to 100% for only 38 minutes. Most likely 0 to 100%, it will only take you an hour to fully recharge your phone. So with this feature, you will always be on the go. And at this point, you might be asking, magkano ba tong si Reno 12 5G? Well, to answer that question, you can purchase it for only 24,999 at all our Allworld branches nationwide. Well, good news kasi meron kaming upcoming na Christmas raffle this coming December with a chance to win your own PC, a laptop, a cellphone, and lots of other exciting prizes. So if you purchase this Oppo Reno 12 5G at our participating branches, magkakaroon kayo ng 2 raffle tickets. You can also visit our Facebook page, Allworld Communications, for more info. So ano nga bang masasabi ko dito kay Reno 12 5G? Sulit nga ba siya sa kanyang price na 24,999 pesos? Well, it depends kasi if you're a fan of Reno series, may mas mataas na increase siya in terms of performance. from the previous Reno 11 na makukuha mo at the same price. For the camera, kayang-kaya niya makipagsabayan sa ibang smartphones at its price range, but yung nagustuhan ko talaga sa kanya is yung AI features niya like the AI Speak, AI Transcriber, and AI Writer na malaking tulong sa akin and for those who are into content creation. It's like yung mga features na AI na ginagamit ko sa PC is naka-built-in na dito kay Reno 12 5G. So kung gusto mong bumili nito, you can check it out sa aming website allworld.com.ph at ilalagay ko yung link nito dito sa description box below. And that is all for today. I hope na marami kayong nakuha information dito sa aming video, and if yes, please do like and share this video, click that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more exciting contents like this. And it's me again, your Kuya Arns of Allworld Communications, your tech partner, and I'll see you on our next video.